Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'm out with the new toy. It's the FujiFilm X100vi. So I've been waiting a long time for this one. In fact, when I first started looking, it was the FujiFilm X100vi, and that was so difficult to get a hold of. Then this came out, and this was difficult to get a hold of, so I finally got it. I'm not changing to this from the Canon M50 Mark II. It's just an addition to my array of cameras. So today I'm in London, just arrived, and I'm going to take this out and give it a go for the first time. So we're going to have a walk around. I've just got off at the Bank Underground station, and it's a nice sunny day. Let's just hope the sun stays out, and we're going to give this a little go. Mainly going to be looking at black and white, so we'll just see how we get on with it. It's all a bit of a learning process today. Okay, so the settings I've got this on, I've got the ISO on automatic, I've got this on about 5.6 and a shutter speed of 500. The ISO is auto, so that's just going to go up and down as we go through the day. And this is seriously the first time I've used this camera, so let's just hope for the best, that we get some good shots. So just a few warm-up shots as usual, just trying to get used to this particular camera. I've got this set on a black and white film simulation, but I am also shooting RAW, just in case I've got it all wrong, so that I can edit, but I'd like to see how the JPEGs come out with this particular one. We're heading just towards the monument at the moment. So that door just opposite, I can see some shadow going up the steps. I want to see if I can get somebody walking in front. So what I'm trying to get there is a nice light background, and then I've got people walking in front of the wall, nice white wall, and hopefully get some sort of silhouette. So what I'm trying to do here is, we've got this light, the sun shining straight in my eyes, so I want to get some silhouettes with this pocket of light, and if I get low and you get a nice shadow coming towards me. Okay, I can see a bunch of people on the right here, and I just want to get myself in a position to try and capture this group of people on the right. From about here should do. This bit of light here, I'm sure I can do something with this. Just need to position myself and then face towards the sun so I can get some nice shadows pointing towards me. This is a great position. So the sun was out and I had some nice pocket of light here with shadows, and as soon as I stopped it's gone in. I'm just going to wait to see if the sun comes out. Well, I think we've got some light going to come any minute now when this cloud's gone past the sun. Here we go. That's what I want to get. I can hardly see shadows. So when you're trying to get silhouettes, it's often best to try and get somebody who's dressed in dark. Yeah, so we've got a nice pocket of light there again, and just getting people walking across and getting the shadows, which I think is really nice. 1/1000th of a second, so hoping stop the motion. It does mean our ISO is going up, but I'm not too worried about that. So we're going to walk around, see what else we can find. So far I'm pretty happy with this. It's silent. Can hardly hear the shutter, which is great for street photography. It's a nice little discreet camera and easy to change the settings. We've got the f-stop or aperture as a ring on the side here, which is nice and easy to move around. We've got the shutter speed on the top dial just here, and then if you want to change the ISO you can just pull this up and turn it round. So I've set it on automatic at the moment. Then we can under or overexpose by small stops with this dial, which is nice. So everything's really handy on this particular camera. We need to see how they actually come out once we get back to the computer. See, I like that building and reflections up there. Let's just see, get that truck out the way. Nice, there was some light here just now, which was very nice, but it's gone as usual. I'm just going to wait to see if the light comes back out. What I'm trying to do here is just get someone walk through this frame, hoping to get someone walking towards me, but no such luck. these steps here. I'm going to see if I can use these as a bit of a leading line down to the river. I think this will make a really good black and white shot. Oh, sun's in my eyes here. I'll have to just look through the viewfinder. Look at the shadows up here, and this woman on the left here, I've just got to get a shot of her with the shadow coming towards me. I have to do this on the move. Yep, that's okay. Happy with that one. Now this puddle. I've been wanting a puddle to get a puddle shot and a reflection. I think this should do. It's not the best, but that will do. Here I want to try and get a bird flying across, and here comes one. I'm going to get this one. Yes, I think I got it, if you can just see that in the background. Then along here I really love these shadows, and I thought they made great leading lines. And that is my final photo of the day. So I'm now at the station and on my way home. So if you enjoyed that video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.